Hey friends, good morning. So today is January 8. It's the first working day of the year. So ngayon papasok tayo sa office, RTO tayo. And I know it's going to be a very crazy day today kasi I reviewed my calendar the night before and yun nga, medyo marami tayong meeting, so I'm not even sure how am I going to to be able to vlog and show it to you today. But nonetheless, I'll try my best, guys. And also, something new today is that I'm vlogging using the DJI Osmo Action 5. So lahat ng footages na makikita nyo today is coming from an action camera. So let's see how it goes. And just by looking at the screen, sobrang ang ganda rin naman ng quality, and I'm also happy because ang liit niya and ang gaan lang niya. So para lang din siyang Pocket 3, kaso ito mas matibay siya sa Pocket 3. What do I mean by mas matibay siya sa Pocket 3? Kasi syempre nga yung build niya is an action cam. Hindi na siya parang mayroong mechanical gimbal. Yung gimbal kasi syempre kailangan mong ingatan kasi if not masisira siya. So ayun guys, sorry nag-aayos ako kasi I'm on my way to work. But drive lang ako and then I'll see you guys sa office. It's going to be a very long day today, guys. By the way, I think aabot ako hanggang 9 o'clock simply because I need to meet with my team lead at night. So ayun. So see you later. Drive lang ako, guys. Okay guys, we're now here at the 23rd floor. So, nung December kasi hindi pa kasi kami pwedeng punta dito kasi nga nire-renovate pa siya. Pero, ayan, pwede na siya guys. So tingnan nyo. Ayan pa. Ayan. So, ito na siya ngayon. Ito na yung reception namin. O diba? Sobrang ganda na ng lighting. Sobrang liwanag na. What I also like is this wall. Pakita ko sa inyo. O diba? Ang ganda na niya. Ang ganda na ng lighting niya guys. Kasi before, yung warm lights kasi to before So, hindi siya ganun ka-conducive for me. And then I also like this wall. Ayan. Etong isa hindi pa tapos may wirings. Pero to ang ganda ng, diba? Ang ganda ng itsura. I love it. I love the overall vibes na very maliwanag and maaliwalas na yung room. Ayan. Tapos etong area naman guys, this is also new. At least etong nasa taas. Yan, new yun. Tapos ito, tong chair. Well, matagal na tong chair, pero nilagay nila dito sa labas, so which is good. I also like na meron parang medyo elevated dito. Para just in case na gusto nila mag-stand while working. So, ayan. Something new to our setup. And guys, this is my team. So, eto sila. So, Happy New Year, guys! Ayan. O, diba? So, etong tatlo, these are really my team, and then we have a new team member today joining. So, syempre hindi ko muna banggitin yung name, pero yan, iwanan natin sila dahil syempre nagpa-process sila. So, ayun. Ako, I'm seated, by the way, andito sila sa 23rd. Me, I'm seated on the 22nd for today kasi I have interviews later and dire-diretso meeting. So, ayun, medyo, hindi naman masikip yung room, kaya may space pa naman, pero syempre, I have to separate myself because of the interviews. So, ayun lang, balik na ako guys kasi kailangan ko mag-lunch because at 1 o'clock interview ko na. So I only have 30 minutes to eat. So, see you in a bit. By the way, share ko lang guys. Itong video na napapanood nyo ngayon sa wall right now, ako yung nag-shoot niyan. So, wala lang. Very proud lang. I shot this siguro late, mga October of last year. September or October last year. So, ayan. So, this is our cleanup drive sa Dolomite Beach sa may Manila Bay. So ayan, as a photographer and videographer po tayo dyan guys. This is our newly renovated pantry na, sorry, baon kayo nakikita nyo. So ayan, that's how it looks like. And then eto, so ang dami pang ang daming food for us. Yan, we could take one from here. Pero, ayun, hindi masabi hindi ko alam kung kukuha ko simply because yun nga, naka-diet na tayo. So hanggang tingin na lang tayo. Unlike last year, 'di ba? Last year go lang. Pero ngayon, I have to implement a strict diet na talaga. So tiis-tiis lang guys. Anyways, heat lang ako ng food kasi I only have 24 minutes to eat before the interview. Okay. Okay guys, so here is my lunch. So I'm back to diet. So ayan talaga, as you can see guys, this is chicken, hard-boiled egg, and red rice. So yung chicken ko, this one is macro counted. Actually, I haven't recomputed my macros. So that is something that I will be doing this week or maybe in the next video. I'll take you along with me kung paano ko nagko-compute ng macros. Pero I'm just following the one that I used last year. Pero definitely this year, or this week rather, i-recompute ko na siya kasi importante yun talaga for me to be able to hit my goal, which is up until January 18, mag-lose muna ng weight simply because on January 18, we have our annual event. So, ayun, pasabog yung isusuot ko doon. So, syempre, I wanna look good and I wanna look slim on that one. And then, after naman nun, siguro magbabulk ako ng 1 month. So that is from January 19 to Feb 19. And then cut na from March and April kasi we have of course our usual summer things. But anyways, I'll take you along through my journey on that one. So tingnan nyo na lang siya on the next coming videos. In the meantime, bilisan ko na kumain guys kasi I only have 18 minutes to eat after nun, or I need to wash up pa after kasi syempre camera on tayo during the interviews. Okay, kain ako guys. Because we are changing into a what was the performance? Fierce this year, I use. Fierce talaga. Fierce.
Tapin din dyan.
Sarap. Ano yan? Yung bibingka lang.
Cheese.
Ito naman guys. Oh, by the way guys, libre ako ni Ayon. So ito naman, itong sa akin is salted cheese. So sa kanya is just cheese. So ayan. Wait, catch up lang kami dito sa akin. Hey guys, so ayan, done na tayo with our office for today. Time check, it's now 5 o'clock. Good thing yung meeting kanina is ito, not really good thing, pero usually kasi yung meeting namin on Mondays is 2 hours, pero kanina 1 hour lang, or 1 hour and a half at least. So I was able to go home a little bit early and hopefully hindi pa traffic, pero good luck. Feeling ko traffic pa rin as usual as everyone is back to work. And surprisingly, in fairness itong Osmo Pocket 3, itong Osmo Action 5 Pro, I'm just looking at the battery levels. The whole day ako nagbablog parang nasa 40% pa ata to. In fairness naman to it And also, kanina pala merong isang portion or section nitong vlog I wasn't able to capture using the Osmo Action 5 simply because nalimutan ko lang siyang dalhin. Ito yung nagpunta kami sa angka ni Aimee, but you know, I took some clips using my iPhone, so I think this might also be a good comparison of the Action 5 Pro and the iPhone, diba? In terms of yung overall image quality nila, just in case curious kayo. What else? Also, there is something that I wanted to do kanina. Kaso nga, since ang busy ko talaga kanina, since, you know, it's the first work from office day of 2025, I really wanted to do goal setting and vision board making with you guys. Try ko siyang gawin mamaya pag uwi. But sabi ko nga, it's really going to be a busy day today simply because meron pa ako mga meetings even up until later this evening. Pero try ko siyang gawin. But if not, that can be another video for another day. So ayun lang guys. Uwi na muna ako and mag-concentrate lang ako in driving. So see you ulit in a bit. Okay guys, so we're now here in our parking and I am now testing itong super night mode nitong Osmo Action 5 Pro. Let's see kung gaano nga siya ka-okay sa low light. Time check, it's exactly 6 PM. So, ayan, medyo madilim na siya and ang lights na lang na meron tayo is yung mga parking lights dito. So, I'm not sure how bright I am, pero the way I see it on the monitor, I can still see myself. So I think that's a good thing. So ayun lang, traffic wasn't bad as I expected, diba? Parang we left, if I'm not mistaken, at around 5. So 1 hour I think is not bad. So ayun lang guys. I'm going to be walking Daniel right after this. And then I'm gonna have, oh my gosh, 3 meetings pa later tonight. So sabi ko it's gonna be a long night. And then yun lang. That's it guys. Akit lang ako. Hi baby, I'm back. How are you? What did you do? Did you miss me, anak? Hi, Daniel, did you miss me? Gusto mo rin magsalita? Mag-vlog ka din. Okay guys, so before I start walking Daniel, meron tayong mga packages that came in. So unboxing muna tayo. I wonder what these are. So let's start with this. So this is a screen protector for DJI Osmo Pocket. So ayan, meron tayong mga tempered glass. So ito siya guys, ilagyan itong Osmo Pocket para at least hindi siya super bare. So ayan siya. Meron pa siyang carabiner. So if bet nyo pala itong mga products guys, I'll put a link down below. So ayan siya. This is the sun visor clip. So, perfect to guys kasi ayun, at least I can now have a place to mount this Osmo Action 5 if needed. When I say if needed, so yan, para sa visor, dun siya kuniklip. Teka lang. So, paano to? Ayan, ito siya guys, sorry. So, gaganon ko lang siya. Ayan, gaganon ko lang siya. And then, nakahang na yung Osmo Action 5. Diba? So, lagay ko siya dyan. Actually, dyan ako pinaka-excited kasi, yun nga, mas stable na yung Osmo Action pag nag-drive ako. Para hindi siya aalog-alog dun sa car. Okay. Next is a car suction mount. So, this is what it looks like. So, ayan, mura lang to guys, by the way. So, ayan. At least meron na rin tayong paglalagyan nito. So, ayan siya. So, this is a magnetic backpack clip for the Osmo Action 5. Siya, guys. So, ayan siya, guys. Cha-chan! Ayun lang, guys. That's all for our unboxing for today. Unboxing for today. I-walk ko lang si Daniel. See ya! So yun guys, what do you think of the quality of the Osmo Action 5 Pro in nighttime? Again, this is using the super night mode. By the way, sorry for the audio, I didn't bring the DJI mic 2, so this is just using the onboard camera mic. It's a little bit windy rin as well outside kasi windy naman talaga lagi dito sa south. Pero yun lang, just showing you the sample footages kapag night using the super night mode dito sa Osmo Action 5 Pro. So, let me know down in the comments what you think. Kung okay ba? Sobrang ganda ba? By the way, lahat to naka-auto lang. Wala akong binago na kahit ano. Okay. So yun, akit na kami guys ni Daniel. Hey guys, so update lang. Hindi na natuloy yung last meeting ko for today. So, yeah. Tatlo yung meeting ko dapat starting at 9 o'clock. Yung isa nagpa-reschedule, yung isa naka-leave pala. So, siguro yung gitnang meeting ko, ipamove ko na lang din para I can rest up for tonight. So, that concludes this video. And by the way guys, I just really wanted to get your opinion. What do you think about the video itself? Okay ba sa inyo yung ganito? Either Pocket 3 or Osmo Action 5 footage, o mas gusto nyo talaga yung katulad ng dati na yung Fuji camera talaga yung gamit ko? Does it, in your opinion, does it matter? Or what matters is yung story or yung content? It doesn't matter kung where I film. So please do let me know in the comments. And also, I'll be inserting some clips about our New Year celebration after this. So once again guys, by the time that you're seeing this, I would like to say na Happy New Year to you, and I do hope that you guys become very successful, you stay happy and healthy in 2025. So that's it guys, thank you, and please do watch itong kalugtong nito, which is yung some other stuff na ginawa namin over New Year. See you guys, thank you.